Welcome to Live In and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksha. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. Our first message today is there's nothing my holiness cannot do. Your holiness reverses all the laws of the world. It is beyond every restriction of time, space, distance, and limits of any kind. So divine can create any miracle anywhere. Let's see the second message now. The age of light. You've been training for this for lifetimes. Mystics and sages throughout the ages have predicted this period in history, and you decided to incarnate in the middle of it. There is no mistake that you are supposed to be here at this time of great change. If you ever feel unprepared or daunted by the path that is calling you, know this. You've been training for this for lifetimes. You are way more than the days that have breathed through you in this life. You're also all of the lifetimes that came before. All of those experiences have polished your soul into the most magnificent expression that is your authentic self. Your soul has many facets. Imagine a fingerprint. Your soul is 1,000,000 times more intricate than that. If you put together all of the fingerprints of all of the people you have been, you would not even get close to fathoming how much of a unique masterpiece you are. You came in with a clear soul plan. You came in with the wisdom beyond your years. This is the part of you that longs to be seen. This is the part of you that is ready to step forward, that is ready to emerge. This is not the lifetime to stay hidden, but to step forth, be seen, and rise. This is an activation card. Work your light activation is hold your hands on your heart and say, I call forth the soul gifts and soul training that I have received throughout all of my lifetimes. I am ready to embody them all. Now, without hesitation and without fear, I have been training for this for lifetimes. You are a light worker and you are here for a reason. You have incarnated here at this time when the earth is ascending with a clear soul plan. You have to remember who you are. You have to express your truth. You have to express your authentic self without fear, because you've been training for this for lifetimes. When we came here, when we incarnated on earth, we forgot who we are, our true nature. But we are here to remember that, and we are here to bring light, anchor light on earth and take earth into next vibration level. And this is your soul remembrance. So at any point, if you feel any doubt or fear, you can take your hands on your heart and say that I call forth and I remember my soul's training. I remember my soul's power. I remember my soul's gifts. And I'm ready. I'm ready for the light. We've got 3 cards today, so we'll see the third card now. The message is Sisterhood of the Rose. Beauty and devotion. Priestess, mystic, teacher. The Sisterhood of the Rose is a lineage of priestesses and mystics who devoted their lives to serving humanity and seeding light consciousness all over the earth. A cross-section of ancient lineages, it is the path of devotion and beauty. Walking this path means being devoted to seeing and creating beauty wherever you go. The rose symbolizes the heart and the sacred geometry of all life. You are being called to notice the beauty around you, particularly in nature, and hear the whispers of Mother Earth. You are being called to spend more time in nature, as all the ancient secrets live there. Mother Earth is constantly whispering. Spend time admiring her creations, and you will be rewarded with insight and grace. You are being called to take a little more time to both notice the beauty that exists all around you and contribute to the beauty of the world in your own way too. This could be through your own creations or in the little things like how you dress to picking flowers for your home. Every time you devote your time to creating beauty, you harmonize the planet a little more, and a shift in vibration can be felt. So, how do you work your light? What is the action that you need to take? Surround yourself with beauty and create beauty wherever you go. Spend time in nature, admire nature, be with nature. Also, whatever your soul's voice asks you to create, go on creating these creations, and they may be little, but they are seeding light consciousness all over the world. And as we are ascending in the higher dimension, especially even these small things that you create will raise your vibration and bring in the light and the high vibration on this planet. So beautiful and so powerful messages today. That's all for today. Lots of love.